For some international students, holding a job isn't about earning extra cash. It's about making ends meet.
Working 40 hours gave me more financial stability, and I don't have that anymore.
That's because a new federal rule takes effect this month that restricts the amount of work an international student can do to 24 hours a week. The federal government had temporarily waived a 20-hour cap during the pandemic to ease labor shortages, but that ended this spring. Now, some students worry how they'll get by.
I feel like if I have that financial support, then I'm able to study better because I'm not stressing about how I'm going to pay the rent.
Public servants warned the government in 2022 that allowing international students to work more than 20 hours a week could distract from their studies.
In other like-minded countries, most of them limit the number of working hours for international students. Canada's rules need to be aligned, or we will find our programs attracting more and more applicants whose primary intent is to work and not study.
Giving them the freedom
This
to go out and
economics
fill those
professor
hours with work.
agrees.
What student is not going to choose money over studying? And so it's just going to make the education at post-secondary level a little weaker.
The government has been under pressure to reduce the number of international students because of strain on services like housing and health care. Last December, it doubled the amount of money students needed before moving to Canada. A month later, it announced a 2-year cap on student permits. Some experts say these students are being unfairly targeted.
We can't look at it as them and us. We have to look at it as a holistic solution for all of us.
But some critics argue allowing international students to work full-time could turn a study permit into an unofficial work visa. Idil Musa, CBC News, Toronto.